Hi, everyone. It's Pete from Achieve Tutorials, and today we're going to talk about the top 7 things we offer at Achieve Tutorials to build better students. But before we get to that, please click on the link to subscribe or follow us. Okay, number 1, academic tutoring. Our expert, highly experienced tutors help our students to a deeper understanding of the material they're working on and gets them the grades to show for it. We work primarily one-on-one with students in their home or online, and we improve performance from elementary school through high school in virtually every academic subject that students take. And we often work with our students right through college. Number 2, academic mentoring. More than just expert subject tutoring, we bolster students' study, executive functioning, writing, and communication skills, and we create more independent and curious learners. Number 3, one of our more unique services, we offer over the summer previews of upcoming challenging courses. We do this so students can hit the ground running in geometry, AP calculus, AP physics, AP chemistry, or whatever subject they find intimidating. Number 4, we offer exceptional individually tailored test preparation for high school admissions tests, ISEE, HSPT, SSAT, college admissions tests, ACT and the SAT, and grad school tests, including the LSAT, the GMAT, and the GRE. I think it's safe to say we're kind of test prep geeks. It's in our DNA. And in addition to individual tutoring, we offer summer boot camps for small groups of students for prepping for SAT, ACT, etc. Number 5, our comprehensive first choice college application counseling service. This includes helping choose colleges to apply to, brainstorming and guidance on writing winning college application essays, and general application tweaks that help maximize a student's possibilities of getting into college. Number 6, transition support. We've created a unique, comprehensive program to help students navigate challenging transitions, such as from high school to college, or from middle school to high school, or even elementary school into middle school. And finally, number 7, custom solutions. We will work with you to custom build a solution to whatever academic achievement goals you set. If you have any questions or would like to discuss working with us or expanding the services we're offering, feel free to contact us through our website, achievetutorials.com, or give me a call directly at 424-262-2483. Thank you very much and have a curious day. Thank you for listening. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Instagram. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to contact us through our website, achievetutorials.com.